Hi there and welcome. I'm Beatrice. Welcome back if you've been here before, and thank you for joining me again. Today's class is a Yin Yoga class where we're going to use the support of a bolster. It's for one of those days in which you know you need a bit more support, you need to be held by something else rather than the ground or the block, something nice and soft. So it's a very simple practice, all on the ground, and all you need is your bolster. And come and join me. We'll start this class in a supported caterpillar. So taking the legs out in front of us, and you can use the block in two ways, either to support your caterpillar under your knees so that you keep a nice bend of the knees and come forward to fold. And another way you can do this is instead to bring the bolster over your thighs, which is the option I'm going to take today. So with your legs on the ground and your bolster on your thighs. And take your hands either side of your legs. Use them to lift yourself up to your straight spine. And from here we come into a supported twist. So take your bolster to one side and come to sit with one hip next to the bolster. It doesn't matter which side, we're just switching around and doing both anyway. So your hip is right next to the bolster. It's a nice gentle twist, so your knees are bent, and then you begin to face right on your bolster. And you can keep your head facing the same direction, or you can also find a gentle twist of the neck, looking away. Or you can even face down to the bolster. Take your hands either side of your bolster to gently press yourself away from this side. And you can simply turn around. I'll move the bolster the other way so I'm facing you. So placing yourself the other way around, so the other hip is now against the bolster. Bend knees. Begin to twist to face your bolster, coming down towards it. And you can either keep your head facing down, resting on the bolster, or looking to the same side of the knees or away to bring a mild twist to the neck as well. Take your hands down either side of your bolster. Pull yourself up. And we'll come around to our front for a nice supported child's pose. So taking yourself into your version of child's pose, you can have your toes together and your knees wide, or your knees together. But because I like to bring the bolster quite close to me, I like to have my knees wide so the bolster comes in between the knees as well. But if you prefer, you can have the bolster further away with your knees together. And it doesn't matter how much space there is between your hips and your heels. Come into your most comfortable space and then letting your head come down towards the bolster. The forehead can be down, or you can look one way and then maybe look the other as well to keep it balanced. If you are facing one way, you can begin to turn the head to the other side. bringing yourself up, and we're turning around to finish on our back, on our bolster, with a nice supported fish. So take your bolster up, the long way around. Come with the hips close to the bolster and begin to lean back towards it. And if you need any other prop here to support your head, you're welcome to grab a block or even another bolster or a pillow. Coming down with the head to find that nice open space in the chest, open in the arms. And you can keep your knees bent like I'm doing, or you can let the legs come straight down to the ground. Being mindful that that's going to bring about a bit more sensations in the low back. Settling here. Allowing the body to soften. Allowing your weight to be held by the bolster. I leave you here today. Please stay for as long as you need to. And when you do come out, please do so mindfully, coming onto one side first. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Please join me again soon, and subscribe and share if you haven't yet. Thank you.